Mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. I'm back again, guys. As usual, working again. Ang lamig ngayon, guys. Malamig. Punta na tayo sa work. Trabaho na ulit. So, super lamig ngayon. Kaya, naka-jacket na po ako. Naka-jacket na, guys. Ang lamig. Ay, ang lamig. Malamig na. December na. Pasko na. Adobo for today, guys. Ito yung aming ulam ngayon. Simple lang. Yan ang aming ulam. As usual, rice. Hindi yan nawawala. O, diba? Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video ngayon dito kasi meron kaming special guest. Bawal. Dito yung bossing naming big boss. Ito muna ang aking ganap ngayon. Ito muna ang aking ganap ngayon. Adobo ko, guys. Merong bell pepper na red. Pampabango. O, diba kakaiba? Kakaibang adobo ko. Kakaiba. Kakaiba ang adobo ngayon. Yan ang aking menu. Simple. Kasi busy kami ngayon, guys. Dahil ayaw ni Madam ang adobo, ito yung sa kanya. Tapos, patata. Kanya-kanya kami ngayong araw na to. Hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay kumain ngayon. As usual, nasa kitchen pa rin. mga hagay. O, syempre tayo nandito eh. Dito talaga lang. Katatapos lang po namin kumain kasi isa-isa lang dapat kumain ngayon. Nandito kasi aming big boss. Tip mo daw. May tip ka? Tingnan niyo yung pagkain ni Madam. Yan, guys. Medyo quiet kami ngayon. Mabait kami ngayon, guys. Para hindi makapagbasag pinggan, guys. Oh. Ito na tong kay Madam, ah. French fries ni Madam. Kita yung Madam today. She's making a sweet.
Very nice.
What it's called, Madam?
Mosaico.
Mosaico. Nakita yung Madam. First time I will see Madam make like that. Lagyan niya ng alak ko. Tinata, this is wine, madam. Metaksa.
Cognac.
Kunya, it's sweet.
Oh,
Osh. Kunya. Tapos powder. Powder ng Graham. Tsaka butter. Oh, butter, powder, and this one. Chocolate. Wow. We cook, madam. No? We eat like that? We eat like that?
we put it on the freezer.
Like ice cream. Ah. Ice cream.
Like ice.
Oh, kita guys. Tapos lagyan niya ng biskuit. Biskoto. She put her... Lagyan niya ng biskuit. Lagyan niya ng biskuit na ang pangalan ay Papadopolo. This is that called Papadopolo. Biskoto. Eh, madam? Yes.
Keep there.
Eh?
Keep there. Biscuit.
Tip bed. Biscuit. Tapos, asukal na powder. Sukal na powder. Oh. This is first time I see it. What is this, Ramadan?
First time you see this?
Yes.
Greek see this.
I didn't. Even Greek, I don't know that. And I never try. Now I will try when ready. Oh, yeah. Carameles. Si madam mo. Madam, you thinking something. Why you thinking something and you cook, re, madam? I saw your face, re, madam.
La bocola.
I learned how to make this one. Ulamasi. Oops. You put like this.
And this is healthy.
Oh. And then you put in the freezer. Freezer, madam?
Kopsa mo talaga sa parang
Binalot ni madam ng sellotape. Sellotape daw. Ano ba tawag nito? Bambrani. When we eat that, madam? How many?
2 hours.
2 hours ready? Ah. Madam. Here?
What is more cold? Maybe that.
Maybe. in this one. Yay! 2 hours? Oh.
If it's earlier, yes.
Okay. So, we'll see in 2 hours, guys. Oh, wow. Madam, leave it there. I will do it, madam. My madam, my madam. Yes, very easy. Madam, maghuhugas na. Tapos na si madam magluto ng sweet. Ilagay na yan sa freezer. After 2 hours, makikita natin kung ano ang tsura nung niluto niya, guys. So, babalikan ko kayo after 2 hours. Yan, after 2 hours, ilabas na ni madam sa freezer. Ito na, guys. Ayan. We'll see what it's going on. What do you think, madam? Better? Good? Wow, madam. Wow, madam. Hey, after 2 hours, this is the result. We'll see what is the taste. Oh, it's not ready? Not ready, madam. Oh, how many more?
1 hour for sure.
1 hour? So long.
Yeah, not frozen.
If frozen, how you cut? If ice. It's ready, madam. Like this you will cut. Oh. It's ready, madam. Guys, oh. Ice cream. Ya te quemas, madam. Oh, madam kita. It's nice now, madam. Look at, guys. This is the sweet with madam. Oh.
Άμα δεις πως είναι η ρεσεψιόν, γιατί κάποιος είχε αφήσει ανοιχτή την πόρτα.
Σοβαρά μιλάς.
Ναι.
This is with it. Oh, very nice, madam. Yati, you take it mine, madam. This is mine. Ella, Oh, very nice, madam. It's good,
Hello. Sweet?
Look, guys, this is the result with Madam Sweet. So,
Try.
Good.
Good?
Good, guys. Nice.
Αλλά θέλει λίγο να μείνει ακόμα. Sweet. Σ' αρέσει?
Yeah.
Αλήθεια πέρα, μαλάκα.
Sarap, guys. Ganun lang kasimple gumawa si Madam ng sweet. Pero ang sarap, parang ice cream na may nuts. Ganun yung lasa niya. Pero wala siyang nuts, ha. Biskuit ang nilagay niya. Pero ang lasa parang cookies. Ice cream na may cookies na doon sa loob. Yun. Tester. Yan, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys. Tapos na ang isang araw ulit. At panibagong araw na naman bukas. Tapos na yung aking duty for today. See you next vlog. And thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.